How y'all doing out there? Once again, Facebook world, wherever you at in the internet world. It's your boy Veal, president of It's Not Complicated Tutoring. Those of you guys out there that are telling people about me, that's good. I'm getting a lot of other different calls, people with referrals, saying, hey, this guy's good, blase, blase. Thank you very much, y'all, for getting me out there. Please keep on spreading the word. I'm about the only person out here in this metroplex that can do 12 subjects solo. I have people that can do other things for me as well, but I need more people that are multi-talented in more than one subject. So nobody out here does the same thing that I do the exact same way that I do it. It's some natural stuff that just comes as I teach it. So thank you very much for putting my name out there. I definitely appreciate y'all put my name in your mouth. So the next thing I'm gonna do today the next problem I'm going to do is another E natural log problem. It's gonna go a little quicker this time because we're gonna go based off the same rules that I did in the previous problem. Alright, so please pay attention, write notes down, pause it when you can, and make sure you learn a little something. Alright? Let's go. Let me go ahead and erase this problem that I already have up from the last time. And I'm going to start brand new with another one. Alright, so this problem is actually natural log of y, or not natural log of y, but y equals x squared plus 1 times x squared plus 2 times x squared plus 3 squared. Alright? If you need me to zoom on now, I'm about to zoom in on the problem for you so you can get it. Okay, E in natural log derivatives, x squared plus 1 times x squared plus 2 times x squared plus 3 squared. Alright, now, the next step I'm going to do, or I'm going to take is, I already know, I'm multiplying all of these together, so I take the natural log of both sides. So natural log of y equals natural log of x squared plus 1 plus natural log of x squared plus 2 plus natural log of x squared plus 3 squared. Point blank. Alright? That's the first step to doing this problem correctly. Separate all your natural logs up. Alright, the next thing I do, I already know that the derivative of natural log of y is dy over y. Dy over y. Like the last problem. I take the derivative of the inside of the parentheses, which is 2x, and put it over x squared plus 1 because the derivative of natural log of x squared plus 1 is 1 over x squared plus 1. So 2x over x squared plus 1 is my derivative here. Alright, plus 2x over x squared plus 2 plus, now, at this point here, I'm going to drop the 2 in front of the ln. Like he's cutting the line, like he's in line and the 2 wants to get in front of him. So now he comes in and goes before the natural log. So 2 natural log of x squared plus 3 is my continuation. Alright? So as you see right here, the derivative of the inside of parentheses is going to be 2x using the power rule over x squared plus 1 plus 2x, which is the inside of parentheses here, over x squared plus 2 plus 2 natural log of x squared plus 3. Now, I didn't necessarily derivatize that third one quite yet because I'm not exactly ready to do so. The reason why, because I now can rewrite this right here as equals 2x over x squared plus 1 plus 2x over x squared plus 2 plus this right here is going to be 1 over x squared plus 3 times 2x. But I already got a 2 out here. So it turns into 2 times 2 is 4. Turns into 4x over x squared plus 3. Alright? Now you're thinking about, alright Jay, once again, I got a dy over y, sir. What do I do? Well, it's quite simple. What you do is you take and cross multiply the y times this whole thing over here on the right hand side of the equal sign. Excuse me. And I solve for dy. So let's go ahead and knock that out. I'm going to circle this right here so you can understand what I'm doing. All this right here goes together and multiply. So when I solve for dy now equals y times 2x over x squared plus 1 plus 2x over x squared plus 2 plus 4x over x squared plus 3. Block. Alright, and now, as I did in the last problem, I substitute my y from the original problem right there. Okay? I substitute my y value into my original problem at that point, and I'll rewrite my answer on the right side of the equal sign as all of y, okay? All of y, x squared plus 1 times x squared plus 2 times x squared plus 3 squared. And then times, I put my little dot right there, a continuation, if you will, this, all of this right here. 2x over x squared plus 1 plus 2x over x squared plus 2 plus 4x over x squared plus 3. And that is my final answer. Okay? So this right here is x squared plus 1 times x squared plus 2 times x squared plus 3 squared. All of that block times 2x over x squared plus 1 block plus 2x over x squared plus 2 plus 4x over x squared plus 3. Alright? Plain and simple. Not too hard. If you understand your rules. Once again, if you have any questions, holler at me. It's not complicated at tx.rr.com. I got a website re-release party coming up soon that y'all will like, so please stay tuned for that. It's not complicated. It's coming back in a major way for 2011. So please watch out for that party. All right. Hit me up on Twitter once again or Facebook. It's Not Complicated Tutoring, my group business page. Ask me any questions you need to ask me about problems that I do, or any questions you just may have about math or any subject in general that I probably may be able to answer for you. All right. It's your boy signing out. J Veal. Make sure I have a good night. Peace and love. 100 years of achievement. KSI. And hopefully many, many more times to come. Achievement in every field of human endeavor. Alright? Holla.